In front of me is Realme 12 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. All you need to do is open Settings and scroll all the way down to access About Device. Then click on device name next to storage and type in wherever you want to. In my case, Sunny. Lastly, to save your changes, hit save in Change Device Name pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, name of my Realme has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!